Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Darin and today I'll be showing you how to make stir fry using tricolor quinoa. But before we go into today's recipe, please click on that subscribe button and also on the bell sign so you get notified when I have new videos up. Quinoa is a superfood that is packed with lots of nutrients, minerals, essential amino acids and vitamins, and it also has antioxidants that helps in fighting cancer cells. But let's look at the list of ingredients for today's recipe. Like all stir fry, you're going to start with oil. You're going to add some oil in the pan, and I'm going to be adding into the oil my seasoning cube, and then I'm also going to be adding some rosemary seasoning to spice up the oil. So next I'm going to be adding in my mixed veggies, and I'm just going to stir fry this and let it cook for a while on a low heat. Next I'm going to add in my quinoa into the stir fry mixture, and then I'm going to be adding in 1 cup of water and 1 cup of broth or stock. And so for every cup of quinoa you add 2 cups of liquid. So next I'm just going to stir this, and then I'll be adding in my salt to taste, because you need a little bit of salt for this stir fry. Next, I'm going to just allow this to cook on the medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes, and at the end of the 15 to 20 minutes I'm just going to put off my gas and then allow the quinoa to absorb the remaining moisture. This is what it looks like after resting for a while. Your quinoa is ready. See how beautiful that looks. It's so delicious and so lovely. And the way you know that it's cooked is that you start seeing those transparent looking color. The brown part, because it's tricolor, does not go transparent, but the white part goes transparent, and you know your quinoa is ready. You also taste it and you notice that it's actually softer. So that's it, guys. I've just paired this with my chicken thigh, grilled chicken thigh, and this is one lovely healthy food that you can always enjoy, and it's also very filling. Thank you guys for watching, and bon appetit.